Emily is a college student studying in Tokyo. 3 mornings a week, she works part-time at a women's clothing shop inside a shopping mall. She likes the job well enough, the staff are friendly, and the hours fit well around her classes. But mornings are busier than she expected. There is always a list of things to get through before the shop opens. She arrives about 40 minutes before opening. The first stop is always the cashier area. She wipes down the counter and checks that the receipt paper is loaded. She straightens anything near the register and makes sure the area looks clean and professional. Then she moves to the dressing rooms. She collects anything left from the day before and organizes them. She checks each room carefully. Hooks straight, floors clear, curtains pulled back neatly. The standard is clear. Everything must be in order before the shop opens. And the shop opens at 10 o'clock sharp. Not a minute before, not a minute late. At 9:45, all staff gather on the sales floor for the morning meeting. Emily has learned to be there early. Being late, even by 30 seconds, feels unacceptable here. The supervisor stands at the front and moves through the agenda briskly. There is always more to cover than Emily expects. She goes over any sales events or promotions for the week. She tells staff which products or areas to focus on and what the priorities are for the day. She also reviews yesterday's sales figures and announces the team's target for today. Everyone listens quietly and nods. No one interrupts. At the end of the meeting, the supervisor calls on one staff member. Each person takes a turn. The order follows the roster. The person is expected to say a few words, something about work life, a small accomplishment, or something they feel grateful for. Emily listens closely, trying to follow every word. She is very glad it is not her turn today. She would have no idea what to say or how to say it properly. The meeting closes just before 10. The supervisor gives a short final word, and the group moves quickly toward the entrance. The staff form two neat lines near the doors. They stand straight, hands at their sides. They wait for the clock to reach 10. The doors open, everyone bows together and says good morning. The mall corridor outside is still quiet and nearly empty, but they bow anyway. After a minute or two, the supervisor gives a small nod. The staff return to their posts. Emily heads back to the cashier area. As she walks, she thinks about her part-time job back home in the States. She used to show up, tie on her apron, and get started right away. No morning meeting, no lineup at the door, no turn to speak in front of everyone. Here, every morning follows a pattern, a careful order before anything else can begin. Emily is still finding her place, but she is trying, and that feels like enough for now.